Hello, Radnor families. This is Anthony Steves, the principal of Radnor Elementary School, and welcome to a new year. Unfortunately, we're not able to meet together face-to-face, but we're fortunate enough to start school virtually. What you are going to be introduced to tonight is our open house. Open house is an opportunity for you to meet the teachers, hear about the year, and learn about a little more about how they are going to connect both academically and socially with your child. It is not a night where a lot of questions and a lot of one-on-one conferencing. For that, if you have any specific questions, the teacher is willing to reach out to you for a one-on-one meeting. We look forward to a great year, and we hope that between now and the end of the year that we will be able to be back in school. Until then, please reach out to me personally if there are any specific questions that you may have that we can help make this a better year for you and your child. Again, welcome to a great year, and thank you.
Hello, and welcome to the 2020-2021 school year. I am Mrs. Esposito, and I'm delighted to welcome you, albeit virtually, to this new school year. As you can tell, life is a little different this year, and while we start the year virtually, I'm looking forward to the opportunity, I hope in the not-so-distant future, to be able to see you, and most importantly your children, as they walk through the halls of Radnor Elementary School. Whether we are online or in person, you can rest assured that the quality Radnor education that we are known for will continue this year. Your children's teachers have been busy all summer and leading up to these first few days of school to ensure that your children are going to have a wonderful, enriching, and truly educational experience. Again, I look forward to the chance to welcome you personally to school, and until that point in time, I will reach out virtually to you and your children and the classrooms. And if you ever have any questions, please feel free to reach directly out to me. Have a great year.
Welcome, Radnor Elementary School families. My name is Sarah Casey, and I'm the school counselor. This is my 5th year at Radnor Elementary School, and I'm so excited to be here with all of you. I have a 1-year-old son named William. And you may not have seen me as much last year because I spent a lot of the year out of the building, spending time with him at home. But I'm really excited to be back this fall and to kick off the new school year with you. As we know, this year is going to look a lot different. It's going to be a transition or a series of transitions for all of us. Please know that I'm here to work together with you and your teachers and our administrators to make these transitions as smooth as possible. Please don't hesitate to reach out to me at any time. I look forward to seeing you online and in person back in the school building.
Welcome to Radnor Elementary School Open House. My name is Allie King, and this is my 2nd year as PTO president. I have 3 children, and I teach a Mommy and Me class in Wayne. I'm proud to be involved in this organization, and I'm happy to be working collaboratively with Dr. Stevenson and all of the wonderful Radnor Elementary School teachers again. The Parent-Teacher Organization is a nonprofit that enhances the educational and social experience of each student at RES, and we give back to our community in multiple ways. Every parent and teacher is a member of RES PTO. You do not need to be invited to join, and you do not need to pay a membership fee. RES PTO is all-inclusive and welcomes every parent to share their time and talents with our community in a structured platform. Out of necessity to keep our children safe, this year looks different. The RES PTO promises to continue working together to maintain our community spirit in fun, exciting, and supportive ways, while also sustaining our funds so that long-treasured programs and initiatives can continue in future years. The PTO provides over $10,000 yearly to teachers for supplemental programming and supplies that directly impact your child's education through our Teacher Fund and Grants program. The PTO provides more than $30,000 yearly for programs and activities that enrich Radnor Elementary School students, including cultural arts programs, musical theater, circus week, field day, the science fair, family fun events, and my most favorite initiative, our student discretionary fund. which means no student will ever be left out of an event, activity, or after-school club due to financial need. This year, to keep our school community safe, some of these programs will be canceled or converted to virtual opportunities when possible. The pandemic has affected our PTO with the loss of significant fundraisers last school year as well as this year. We understand our families may be going through changes as well, and that is why we've increased our line budget in the Student Discretionary Fund so that we may help more students this year. It is my goal to make sure our highly coveted programs and initiatives that are part of our RES culture will still be available to us once this pandemic is over. One of the ways you can help us do that is through our Together We Can annual fund. Donations of all amounts make a difference, and every dollar donated goes into cultivating benefits for our students now and in the future. Donations can be made through PayPal on our PTO website or by check made out to RES PTO submitted to the RES office. There are still some exciting events and initiatives that you can look forward to this year. We will have a virtual book fair, community outreach initiatives, including district-wide gift card collections throughout the school year, and Giving Fridays, a weekly collection of canned goods and other items led by RES parent Jen Shank. This year's International Week will showcase Peru, specials teachers and PTO members aligned to immerse students in lesson plans during a week-long study of a different country each year. Our Smart Run, a family fun event and one of our largest fundraisers, hosted the third Sunday in May. Will look different this year, but the PTO is planning on hosting this favorite tradition in one form or another. School Spirit Days. Our wonderful teachers have created monthly Spirit Days, which the PTO will give reminders for and collect pictures of participating students in an effort to build our sense of community. I know I just gave you a lot of information, so just know that we will have homeroom parents who will be hosting meet and greets for every classroom so that parents can give you this information again, as well as provide you an opportunity to ask questions. I'd like to thank you for allowing me to serve you, and although this year is different, I know we can still make it amazing as a united school community together. Please feel free to email radnorelementarypto@gmail.com anytime. Thank you. Have a wonderful school year.
Hello, Radnor Elementary families. My name is Teji Brennan, and I am the director of the Radnor Educational Foundation and the proud parent of a Radnor senior. I just wanted to pop in for a quick minute to wish you all a very successful school year. It's going to be a challenging year for all of us, and we at the foundation are ready to support our students and faculty however we can. Last year, we were able to partner with Radnor Elementary to support projects like Circus Week and the Walnut Street Theater Assembly and the sound system renovation in your little theater that's coming up. This year, we've already begun working with the district on initiatives such as funding access to low-cost internet services to families who don't currently have access through our Neighbors Helping Neighbors program. To find out more about what we do and how you can volunteer with the foundation, visit our website or send me an email. Also, keep an eye out for some fun events we have planned throughout the year. Everything from an online family trivia night to our annual benefit, hopefully in person. Finally, I want to offer our sincere thanks to all of the generous families and businesses who contributed to our Neighbors Helping Neighbors program over these last few months. We have a tradition here in Radnor of offering support when a student is facing hardship, and it is so encouraging to see our community come together in these extraordinary times. Have a great year. I hope to see you soon in person and enjoy meeting your students' teachers. Good night.